Hi, I'm Jatin Trivedi and I shall enlighten you with some key important triggers for this week's commodity market, and we shall discuss about some key important levels and hot commodities for this week. So let's get started with the bullions market. In the bullions market for this week, we are looking at gold and silver prices to remain a little bit bullish on the higher side for the levels of around 52,250 to 52,500 for gold, and on the lower side a strong support for gold is at around levels of around 51,000 to 51,100. So buying on dips is recommended for gold for this week. Along with that, in silver prices again, the counter is looking a little bit bullish. Considering the last week, the prices have taken some supports at the levels of around 67,000 and 66,000 thereabout, and it is also taking strong resistance at the levels of around 70,000 to 71,000. So it is recommended to buy silver at the levels of around 67,000 to 67,500 with the target price keeping at the levels of around 69,500 to 70,000, and keeping a strict stop loss below 66,000, which is last week's low price as well. So overall, we are a little bit bullish for this week on the bullions front. Also, the newly launched MCX Bulldex is also looking bullish for this week. So one can hedge the position by either selling the Bulldex and buying gold and silver, or either going long in MCX Bulldex singularly. If you are having a bullish position, if you want to create a bullish position in gold and silver both, you can opt for taking MCX Bulldex position on the long side. The levels which are important for Bulldex are at the levels of around 16,000 to 16,100 for going long, keeping the strict stop loss below 15,700, and on the higher side we can aim for the targets of around 16,650 to 16,700 for this week. So that's about it for the bullions market. Now we will cover the energy pack. In the energy pack, crude is looking a little bit bearish again, since we have seen the last week crude prices have scaled on the downside, reaching the levels of around 2,900 thereabout. They have seen some strong selling pressure, and it looks like it will continue towards the levels of around 2,600 to 2,550. If 2,700 is not respected on the lower side, we can expect the levels of around 2,600 to 2,550 on the lower side. Keeping a strict stop loss above 2825 on the higher side, selling at the levels of around 2775 to 2750 is recommended with the stop loss above 2825. On the downside, keeping a target of around 2650 to 2550 for this week. The second in the energy pack is natural gas. Natural gas is looking a little bit bullish for this week, as we have seen the commodity opening a little bit gap up on Monday, and now it is trading at a very good sorted levels of around balanced levels of around 174 to 175 for this week. Natural gas prices look bullish with a strict stop loss below 166, which is Friday's low, and keeping a target of around 185 to 190, which is taking as a very strong resistance point. Last week we have seen the prices falling below 190 and then touching the levels of around 165 as well. So keeping a strict stop loss below 166 and aiming for 185 to 190 is recommended in natural gas prices. Now speaking about the base metal packs, the wolf packs, the 5 base metals, all of them are looking a little bit bullish for this week, especially copper, nickel, zinc prices. All the 3 counters are looking quite bullish. Copper with the stop loss of around 522 looks good for the target of 535 to 534. Nickel with the stop loss below 1070 to the target of 1130, 1145. Zinc with the stop loss below 188 and target of around 195 to 196. All the 3 base metals are recommended to be buying on dips with the respective stop loss given to you and with the respective targets as well. Hope to catch you next week, guys. This is about it from me for this week's commodity market roundup, and stay home and stay safe. Happy trading.